Blessings, peeps. So today we're in St. Thomas again. Today is gonna be the third tour of St. Thomas. Yeah. Even though I covered so many places in St. Thomas, there are still a lot left to be covered. Today we are gonna be in Eastern St. Thomas. Alright, we are going to visit several sites. However, right now I'm gonna show you this and then roll intro. So now follow me. See that, guys? Beautiful waterfall. Yeah. Road busy still in a peeps. So I have to watch myself. See over there, guys. This is the main road. This community is called ROSSELE. And so that's this part of town because this is not really a community, guys. Alright. Here, so let me see if I can cross back the road there. Yeah, peeps, and I'm not sure where this water is coming from, you know, but I think I will find out one day for you guys, alright? So the water of the falls, the peeps. Yeah, man, so we'll move on to Morant Bay town. We'll go that direction, alright, guys? Now follow me. Alright, guys, so we'll move on to Morant Bay now. Yeah, so now come with me. Guys, always drive with your seat belts, as we telling you from yesterday, and use your indicators when driving. If it's possible, use a park light in the day, because sometimes the last thing that a person sees before them actually have a collision. So sometimes a person will down in them phone and not pay attention, but then you come with your headlight and them see it. You see me? So that prevents an accident. Alright? Yeah, man. So we're on the main road heading east to Morant Bay. Don't know where the St. Thomas is. Yeah. Same thing now for the guys. Drive with you. Give me a park light. So, yeah. Belvedere main road now. This is the Belvedere main road heading to Morant Bay. We have a reach Spring Garden before. Here it's Belvedere main road, Spring Garden. Spring Garden. Yeah, and then we reach Spring Garden. After Belvedere. No, this one, you know, yeah, well, no, this one is Spring Garden. All this up on me. Springfield, yeah. I have a father and I carrying up this, so I guess the name of the place, alright? So now we are now in Springfield heading up to Morant Bay roundabout. Soon we'll reach where the Goodyear factory was. It's Goodyear tire factory. Yeah guys, that's Goodyear over there. Let me show you all that. That's Goodyear over there guys, alright? The camera is on the windscreen. That's Goodyear over there guys, that's the original tire factory. That's where it was. I'm not sure if it still holds the record, but this bridge was the longest bridge in Jamaica. I don't know if the bridge bypassed it yet, but it should be the longest bridge in Jamaica, please. Alright? Don't doubt it. Yeah. The longest bridge in Jamaica, guys. And it's in St. Thomas, right at the St. Thomas roundabout. We're heading up to the roundabout. So that's Reading Cemetery across the road, guys, straight across the roundabout in front of us. Now I'm turning left because now I want to place name York. I'm going to show you guys the York community. But first, we're going to be, there's a lot of road work going on, please. Yeah? Yeah guys, this is road work that is going on in Western St. Thomas at the moment, alright? Guys, you know the last time we were in St. Thomas, like a couple months ago, so we want to see the changes, the difference to the road work since then, alright? Yeah, peeps, so, yeah man. And we have some very interesting sites today, guys. Some very, very interesting sites. Eastern St. Thomas, yeah man, but we're heading up in our Western first, for York, and then back that way. So I'm showing all of these peeps. Yeah guys, we're heading up to the Paul Bogle Junior High School. That's over on the right. Alright. Yeah, I'll give you guys a pick of that when I come back or something. Yeah, you know the camera is hooked up. Yeah, peeps. Just want to know guys, I want to get your feedback. Should Street View be a series where I just profile just the streets of Jamaica during the day and after dark? Let me know, alright?
check me up a yard. Anytime. Check me up there tomorrow.
Yeah, peeps, so we're there in a place called York, in St. Thomas. I'm actually down my father's house. So I know I always like to show them a different yard than here. So this is where my father actually resides. And yeah man, I'm that over there, so I'm showing them. That's my father, my little brother. Yeah man, he my father with me today. See it? So I'm gonna catch back my father up the road. So yeah peeps, so now follow me. Yeah peeps, so we have arrived in the town of Morant Bay. I'm showing the Morant Bay town. A driving tour of Morant Bay town. And then we're on our way to Stokesall, alright? Yeah man, now follow me. So this is Main Street Morant Bay peeps. I'll give you now a view of uptown Morant Bay, alright? We'll divert off for the main and do that. Big up King, the man who do the tint them on the car. King shot that over there. Say, yo King! This is Rosemary Lane, guys. Rosemary Lane is Jackass Lane, Jackass Hill. Yeah man, peeps, this name Jackass Hill. Uptown Morant Bay. Yeah peeps. I don't really remember the name of the streets like that. But it's a up the bay as them call it. Yeah man, who from Morant Bay type Morant Bay in the comment section. And me and brother in the car no peeps. Yeah man, Nico. Shout out people them know. What's up no Nico, you shy?
Yeah man, hello people, you know it's Nico there, is it?
Yeah peeps, so me and Nico will be on the road in future videos, alright? Yeah man. Yeah peeps, this is the town of Morant Bay. Type Morant Bay in the comment section if you're from Morant Bay. Alright guys, so we are planning to visit the Stokesall Great House and the Ardley Hospital along with any other sites that are available for us to visit today, alright? Yeah man, so you come with me to do that. Guys, look out for the Rockfort Mountain View night view video, alright? Yeah man, we'll do the Rockfort Mountain View nighttime video. Look out for that peeps. So we are exiting the town of Morant Bay now. peeps, yeah, me think me I go do Westmoreland after this, you know, guys. If you want me to do Westmoreland, type Westmoreland in the comment section down below. Alright? Yeah, man. So peeps, as for the charity, the Portland charity, seems like we have an issue because the Prime Minister decided that the country should be locked down on Easter. Alright, so we are up on total lockdown. So I'll get back to you guys about that on the live show in the morning. Alright guys, so follow the live show for current updates, and if you want to join the WhatsApp group, just let me know in the comment section so I can contact you and have you added to the WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group is a strict group, so therefore I do not add any. I'm not going to say I'm not add anybody, but it's like we make it a process to add persons to the group, because then we had trolls in the group at one point and we really run from that because it's an educational group. It's not a dating group or anything like that. I don't know what people do with WhatsApp group, peeps. It's not a group like that. It's mostly mostly professionals in the group, and it's off an educational basis. Alright, so if you want to join the WhatsApp group though, contact me so I can have you added to the group. Alright peeps? Yeah man. So this is the road we're leading out to license. So once I reach the Princess Margaret Hospital, I cut the camera and then we are going to move on, and you know, after that, the next site, is it? So go and listen to some music, peeps. Guys, and thank you for watching this video. Like the whole night, me at working up peeps, and I see my so videos in the channel, guys. Like I have 5 or more videos to be edited and uploaded. Still have a road today. So thank you all for watching. It's really a pleasure having you here. If you reach this far in this video, type St. Thomas in the comment section down below. Alright, and look out for the next part in the St. Thomas historical tour. Y'all stay safe.